Welcome everyone to my Patriotic 4th of July and summer living room and kitchen decor tour. Like most of you, I do have children home from school for the summertime, so it's very noisy in my house. I cannot ask them to be quiet 50 million times, or I just will say forget it and not record. So this will be to music. If you have questions about anything you see, please leave me a comment. I'm happy to reply, and I will be back at the end of the video. Enjoy! Real quick, these corbels that you're seeing, they're actually upside down. I just have them sitting on these thrifted books for now. I thrifted them the other day. I got both of them for $4 at my local thrift store, and they were like a brownish color, and I chalk painted them and sanded them. If you watched my Insta stories, you saw these corbels, but I just wanted to kind of throw that in there real quick because they are not staying here. They're going to go in my laundry room, and they're going to be right side up, and they're going to have a shelf on top of them with some cute laundry room decor, and that will be in a later video. I've already shared this space with you guys, but I have changed a few things, so I thought I would go ahead and share it again. decided to freshen up my open kitchen shelving with some vintage aqua ball jars I've had for years and some other aqua pieces. I think it looks really, really nice for the summertime, so I'm just sharing my open shelving with you guys with a new, fresh look. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. Bye!